If you face this type of problem which will appear on HP scanner, and just click on this. Here you can see HP MFP scan. If I want to try to connect scanner, here you can see the problem error connecting the scanner device. Please select this device combo box, ensure the connection again. If it does help, please turn the device off, then switch it on and wait while it warms up. This message appearing on your screen. How to solve this problem? Let's see. Click on OK. Now click on configure. Just close it and refresh your Windows. Open a browser. Just type here and search HP MFP 135A drivers. Here you can see the drivers link, HP from USB website. Just click on this link. After clicking, here you can see the driver link. I will download first printer I'm using. Here you can see the driver product installation software. Here is the multiple option. 86.3 megabyte. I will download this. Download has started. After download this software, I'm just open this software from here. Click on this upper arrow and click show in folders. Folder, here you can see the downloaded file software. I'm just click on this. I'm just opening it and click on yes. Then click on next and choose these two options and then click next. Here you can see the next USB option. Then click on next. If appear this notification Windows security, install this driver software anyways. Select this second option. Here you can see the installation progressing. Installing system. Just wait until install complete. Already installed. Just click on finished and close this window. If I try to open again the HP scanner, multifunction printer scanner, just click on this HP MFP scan. That's it. Here you can see the all options has been active and here is no any error appeared. Just click quick scan. Here you can see the scanner has been working and the scanner will be working properly. Already working the scanner and just scan a document. Okay, then I will save this option. Save this scan. Yes. No. That's it. I hope this video will be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.